Hey, what's up you guys, it's Ether here, I hope that you are doing well, and today I'm going to show you my story on how I got my first online commission. I'm going to show you my whiteboard, guys, but first, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Cesar and I used to have a corporate job and work as an engineer with an MBA, but right now I teach people how to make money online. That being said, guys, my first online commission. So I started buying courses and it was in 2014, 2015, and I bought a program, the 67 steps from Tai Lopez, and basically that program, guys, gave me a lot of value about health, wealth, love, and happiness. And I did a research in how I can become an affiliate for these courses, right? And so I became an affiliate, and basically what I did was that I create a YouTube channel and I upload a video per day, and I keep repeating that process for 1 year until I get my first online commission, and it was between 300 or 400 USD dollars, guys. And in that moment I realized that the only thing that I need to earn more money online, it was upload more videos. Basically, when you are on YouTube, in the description I copy and paste my affiliate links here. And if you are interested, guys, in learn more about how you can do affiliate marketing the right way, I'm going to put a link in the description below of this video, guys, so I can teach you how you can make your first online commission. That being said, guys, also if you click the link of the description, you are going to access a free training, and you can also download a free ebook about affiliate marketing. That being said, guys, I hope that you stay safe, stay strong, and if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon.